What's going on, guys? Naz here on the Spooling Up channel. Today what I'm going to be doing to the MK4 Golf GTI is swapping the headlight bulbs out. Reason being, the ones I've got in there at the moment are pretty dull, and they don't illuminate the road that well at all. I've got some LED side light bulbs which are pretty good. They've got like a blue hue to them, so they're not white. These ones I've ordered, they're supposed to have a bit of a blue hue to them as well, so they don't look mismatched, because at the moment I've got these really blue side lights and these sort of like yellowish headlight bulbs. Not to mention the fact that obviously I've put the tints on the headlights as well, so I was just looking for some brighter light just to sort of penetrate through that and hopefully illuminate the road a little bit better. So I bought these cheap LED headlights from eBay anyway. Gonna go ahead and fit them. Hopefully they make a difference. Okay, so here we have the front lights, and I've tried to record it in a way so it doesn't absolutely blind you guys when you look, but you can see the difference between the headlights and the side lights, the colour. It just looks odd. I'm hoping it will be a closer match with the LED headlights that I've actually bought, but that's what it's like on both sides anyway, as you can see. So we're hoping to eliminate that. Right, so now that I've got the chance, I'm gonna get these bulbs swapped over. These are the ones that I've bought. Nothing special about them, they're literally just from eBay. So I'm gonna go ahead now, strip the old ones out and fit these. Right, so I'm gonna go for this side first. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to have a cover like this side does. If I am, it's definitely missing over here, but it's simple stuff, man. Just gonna pull that out of the way and get this cover out of the way. And then in there I've got my bulb, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove that now and replace it with one of the new ones that I've got. Now this should be pretty easy. What I'll do, pull the plug off, and then there's a little sprung loaded bracket in there. You need to push the clip, push it to the side, that will flip down, and then we can pop our bulb out. So that is what the old one looks like. This is what the new one looks like here. Careful, I was always told not to touch the actual bulbs with my hand. And remember, when you're going to put it in, that locator pin at the top has to be situated at the top, otherwise it will not go in properly. So I'm going to go ahead and fit this now, and then I'll do the other side. Just doing a quick test. You can see the difference between the lights already. This one's a lot more coloured in yellow, that one's a lot more white. So it already looks a lot better. Not the cool blue look that I was looking for like the side lights, but it's a lot better than it was before. Right, so time to remove this cover to get to the back of this headlight. It's just those two Phillips screws, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that and then slide the whole cover up. You should just be able to pull it from here. That comes out of the way like so, and then we need to move this clip over like we did on the other side. If you struggle to get your hand in there, you can just use a screwdriver to try and help give it a little nudge out of the way. It should come off and remove like so. Then it's the same thing as the other side. The bulb is down here, so I am going to struggle to get my camera in there, but you literally pull the plug off, unclip the bracket, and then you should be able to pull the bulb out pretty easily. Now you can see just how cloudy that light bulb is, and just imagine how dull the light that's coming out of it is going to be, as opposed to this one. It's a lot nicer and a lot more crisp. So this will be the final side fitted, and then we'll be done. Just do a last check of what it looks like at night time, and that'll be it. Headlight cover, just look down because it's supposed to slot into place, just so that it sort of gets located in the right place, and it also has to slot down here. So make sure you get that down in the right place, and the holes and everything should line up nicely. Obviously put your 2 screws back in. I'm pretty confident that my headlights are going to be fine, but when you are changing them, before you put everything back together, you may want to test them to make sure they're working. Wow, it's not even night time yet, and I can just see how much of a difference these bulbs are already making. The lights would never normally light the bush up in daytime, but they are, so that's all done. We'll just wait for night time now to see what they look like. Right, so these headlights now are looking extremely crisp and clean. Only thing is that there still is an obvious colour difference between the side light and the headlight, which I am not overly keen about, but they are definitely a lot brighter than they were before, so I'm really happy with these. I will have to double check the price, but again, very cheap and a lot better, so definitely an improvement on this car. Okay, so that is the upgraded LED white headlight bulbs. They're H7 bulbs, now fitted to the car, looking a lot better, I must say. Also, when you have those brighter headlights, it makes your car look a little bit more newer, you know. Some of these cars have really dim headlights, you know. They kind of, a lot of the time, it's with like quite neglected cars. So to have a nice, crisp headlight, bright light, sort of changes the look of the car at night time. It also lights up the road so much more, man, because when I was driving this car before, even before the headlight tints, I was thinking to myself, these headlights aren't bright enough. I was adjusting them to make them go up and down to try and get a little bit more vision on the road, but now all my prayers have been answered and the lights are all good, guys. I don't only want to be doing expensive things on this channel. I like to do the cheap mods as well, for those of you out there that don't want to spend too much money on your car and you just want to do little bits and bobs just to kind of tweak it and make it a little bit nicer. Thanks for all the love and support, guys. I'm still seeing the comments, still trying to get back to them. Instagram follows, messages on Snapchat, all that kind of stuff as well. Always happy to see it. Guys, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Hopefully the next video I do could be something on the XR2. It's just a shame winter's coming and I've still not got myself a garage, but as soon as I do, man, I'm going to be going flat out on that car. But guys, thanks for coming. I'll see you next time.